Info terkini. Parking kereta runtuh dekat restoran Kinabalu Park.
Hey guy, look at this. This is terrible. Last night, my God, the whole place, man, the Mount Kinabalu Park, the parking lot is gone.
Hai, saya Mahnishe dengan hasil rekaman dari seorang yang kemungkinan berada di tempat kejadian. Kepada semua pengguna jalan raya yang ingin melalui jalan tersebut, kenalah berhati-hati dan berjaga-jaga. Lokasi bertempat dekat restoran Kinabalu Park.
And here, thunder, not thunder lah, like serious kind of earthquake going down. When the car park is gone now. Look at this. Terrible, man. This is how nature can do. Wow, look. There'll be a road going down, man. Seriously, terrible. Terrible, terrible. Hopefully it's not going to rain today. If it keep on raining, there will be a road can go down to my lane now. Yeah. This is not kidding, man. It's terrible. All the way down. Look. Yeah. Last night I slept. I thought the whole world is coming down, man. Look at this. Wow. That's why. Never mess with nature. You can mess with your ex-wife. You can mess with your girlfriend. You can mess with everybody, but don't mess with nature. Nature will never play with you, man. Wow, look. Look at this. Whew. Huh. Terrible. Terrible. Oh, man. It look like we're going to have no telephone, no power for at least a week. Shit. Oh God. Look. Oh man. Huh. Oh. Look at this. It's terrible. 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 There's a restaurant here. And look. This is the park entry. Park entry.